The History of Pizza. A Graded Reader, Level A1. Chapter 1, The First Flatbreads. In ancient times, people do not have ovens like ours. They make fire with wood and stones. They mix flour and water to make dough. They make the dough flat and round. Then, they cook the bread on hot stones. This is called flatbread. People in Egypt eat flatbread. People in Greece and Rome eat flatbread too. They put olive oil on the bread. Sometimes they add local herbs for a good smell. They use the bread like a plate. They put other food on top of the bread. This is the great-grandfather of pizza. It is simple and it is cheap. It is good for workers because they can carry it easily. The bread is strong and keeps them full. But this bread does not have tomato sauce. It does not have yellow cheese. It is just bread, oil, and herbs. For many centuries, this is the normal way to eat. Chapter 2, The City of Naples. Now we move to the year 1700. We are in Italy, in a city called Naples. Naples is a very big and busy city. It is next to the Blue Sea. Many poor people live in Naples. These people work very hard every day. They work at the port or in small shops. They do not have much money. They need food that is fast and very cheap. The bakers in Naples make flatbreads for them. They call this food pizza. The bakers sell the pizza in the streets. The workers eat the pizza while they walk. They eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It is the perfect food for a busy city. At this time, people in other cities do not know pizza. They think Naples is a strange place. But in Naples, everyone loves their local bread. Chapter 3, A Special New Fruit. For a long time, pizza is very simple. But then, something changes. Explorers go to a place called America. They find a new fruit there. It is red and round. It is the tomato. The explorers bring the tomato back to Europe. At first, people are afraid of tomatoes. Rich people think tomatoes are poisonous. They think you get sick if you eat them. They only use the plants for decoration in gardens. But the poor people in Naples are very hungry. They look at the red fruit and they try it. They like the taste. It is sweet and fresh. The bakers put the tomatoes on their flatbread. They add some oil and a little salt. This is a magic moment in history. The modern pizza is born because of the tomato. Chapter 4, Pizza for the Poor. In the 1800s, pizza is the food of the poor. Rich people do not eat pizza. They eat meat, expensive fish, and complex cakes. They think pizza is dirty because people eat it with their hands. There are no pizza restaurants yet. There are small shops called pizzerias. In a pizzeria, there is a big oven made of bricks. The fire inside is very hot. The cook puts the pizza inside for only 2 minutes. Then, young boys take the pizzas. They put the pizzas in metal boxes on their heads. They walk through the streets and shout, "Pizza! Fresh pizza!" they cry. People come out of their houses to buy a slice. It costs only a few coins. The pizza is hot and the tomato sauce is bright red. It is the best meal for a person with no money. Naples is now the capital of pizza. Chapter 5, The Queen's Visit. In 1889, everything changes for pizza. The King and Queen of Italy visit Naples. The Queen's name is Margherita. She is tired of eating French food every day. French food is very rich and heavy. She hears about the famous food of the poor in Naples. She wants to try it. A famous pizza maker comes to the palace. His name is Raffaele Esposito. He makes 3 different pizzas for the Queen. The first pizza has oil and garlic. The second pizza has small fish. The third pizza is special. It has red tomatoes, white mozzarella cheese, and green basil leaves. These are the colors of the Italian flag. The Queen loves the third pizza. She sends a letter to Mr. Esposito to say thank you. Mr. Esposito names the pizza Margherita after her. Now, pizza is not only for the poor. If the Queen eats it, everyone can eat it. Chapter 6: A Long Journey to America. Many years ago, life in Italy is very difficult. Many people do not have jobs. They decide to go to a new country. They go to the United States of America. These people take their clothes and their memories. But they also take their favorite recipes. They arrive in New York City. They live in a place called Little Italy. The streets are small and crowded. The families miss their home in Naples. They want to eat the food they love. Italian men start to make pizza in their small kitchens. At first, they only make it for their families. The smell of fresh bread and tomato fills the streets. The neighbors smell the food and they are curious. What is that delicious smell? They ask. Soon, the Italians start to sell pizza in America. It is the start of a new adventure for pizza. Chapter 7: The First Pizzeria in New York. In the year 1905, a man makes history. His name is Gennaro Lombardi. He has a small grocery store in Manhattan. He decides to sell pizza in his shop. He gets the first official license to sell pizza in America. Many Italian workers go to his shop. They buy a slice of pizza for 5 cents. The pizza is wrapped in paper. They eat it while they walk to work. Lombardi's pizza is very popular. Other people see his success. They open more pizzerias in New York and New Jersey. They use big coal ovens. These ovens make the pizza very crispy. This style is now called New York-style pizza. The slices are very big. You can fold the slice in half to eat it. Today, Lombardi's is still open. People go there to see where American pizza started. Chapter 8: Soldiers and the Pizza Boom. For many years, pizza is only in Italian neighborhoods. But then, the Second World War starts. American soldiers go to Italy to fight. They stay in cities like Naples and Rome. They are very hungry and they try the local food. They try the pizza and they think it is amazing. The soldiers love the hot cheese and the red sauce. When the war ends, the soldiers go back home to America. They miss the taste of Italian pizza. They ask for pizza in their own cities. Suddenly, everyone wants to eat pizza. Pizzerias open in every state. It is not just for Italians anymore. It is a food for all Americans. Businessmen see this and they make big companies. They want to sell pizza very fast to many people. Pizza becomes a big business. Chapter 9: Different Styles and Toppings. Now, pizza is everywhere in the world. But pizza is not the same in every place. In Chicago, they make deep dish pizza. This pizza is very thick like a cake. It has a lot of cheese and a lot of sauce. In California, people put strange things on pizza. They use chicken, barbecue sauce, or avocado. Some people put pineapple on pizza. This is called Hawaiian pizza. Many people argue about pineapple. Some people say, yes, it is sweet and good. Other people say, no, pineapple is not for pizza. In Japan, they put corn and mayonnaise on pizza. In Brazil, they sometimes put chocolate or bananas. Every country has a favorite topping. But the base is always the same. It is always the simple flatbread from the past. You can choose your favorite style. Chapter 10: Pizza in the Modern World. Today, pizza is the most popular food on earth. We live in a fast world. When we are tired, we don't want to cook. We take our smartphones and we open an app. We touch a button and we order a pizza. 20 minutes later, a person on a scooter arrives at our door. The pizza is inside a cardboard box. It is still hot and smells wonderful. We can also buy frozen pizzas at the supermarket. We put them in the oven at home for 10 minutes. It is very easy and very fast. Families eat pizza on Friday nights. Friends eat pizza while they watch football on TV. Students eat pizza while they study for exams. Pizza is the food of friendship. It is a simple meal that makes people happy. The end.